Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Klarna application on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Klarna and search. Once you come across this application in the search result, tap on the Get button to start downloading the application for your iPhone. Klarna is a Swedish financial technology company that offers buy now, pay later services. It offers a variety of buy now, pay later options including Klarna Pay in 4, Klarna Pay in 30, and Klarna Financing. Simply tap on the Get button and wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone, and within a few minutes, you will be able to operate the application. So that is how you can easily download Klarna application for your iPhone within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.